In software engineering, we are talking about software maintenance. Software maintenance. Maintenance means keeping the thing, object or anything working. That is, the product is already being made. Now you need to clean it, you need to polish it, and you need to keep it running. So this is the last phase of SDLC. All these phases, software is being delivered, deployed, and now the maintenance activity will only start after the delivery. So software maintenance is any kind of change or modification to a software product or a system after it has been delivered to the customer or the end user. This is software maintenance. Please remember, maintenance is the most time-taking and effort-taking task involved in the SDLC. It is being said that change is the only thing which never changes. So change which doesn't change is inevitable. Since maintenance means change, maintenance also is inevitable for any kind of product. I'm not talking about the software product, any kind of product. If you are having an air conditioner, you don't go for the servicing, the filter will get dust and it will be useless after some time. So maintenance is everywhere. Most products need maintenance because they have the wear and tear, like car. Now in the car, say 6 to 8 months you have to get it serviced. There will be some wear and tear in the machinery, basically the tires mainly. And these are the wear and tear, mainly the product or hardware products. But software products, they don't have this kind of problem. That is, they do not need maintenance on this type of count or account. So there will not be a problem like this. Software maintenance has something other to deal with. Many people, they think that if the bad software is created, you need a lot of maintenance. But this is absolutely wrong. The opposite is true. Bad product, what do? You just throw it away. You don't maintain it. But the good products, best products, they are maintained. They have longevity. So they are used for a long time. I'll give an example. See, when Unix came, it was coded or implemented in assembly language. We have known about 8085, 8086, this microprocessor language, etc. Now, when C language came, the Unix was rewritten in C language. Why? Because we wanted to keep working on Unix. So we don't throw it away. This was a good product, so we need to maintain it because it is going for that from the time it was being created till now.